Pentacon to the orchestrator. Then after that, I also added the time trigger, but I won't use it today. So I'll press start job, then this, and then this. Then I'll press start. Okay. Then this thing will come out. So then I'll press the name, say name, email. Okay, so I'm just writing random ones for like, so that I can go through this very fast. Now add like a postal code, address first. Let's say Bishan and both postal codes, some random postal code. I put city as SG and phone number as a random phone number. Okay. After it will display me everything, I can press edit details if I want to edit anything. Say I want to edit my city to say Singapore. Okay. Then it will show from SG to Singapore here. Okay, then I want to continue on. Okay, so then it asks me for my product type and quantity. Say I want plain blah 2. Then I want to add another product. I ask for brown sugar 3. Then I press OK. Then I say I want to add a product. No. Then it will show me the total ones here. Everything I inputted. Then after that, it will open the Redman website. Type in the search bar, the product stuff. After that, it will search the search bar. You'll press the search bar. After that, it will add the amount of times that the quantity is needed, and then add to cart. So then it'll do it for both times, so that both products will be put inside. Then after that, the cart will open up. Then a screen scraping will happen. So then they'll take this product type price. Oh, then here Excel sheet is created to store the data inside. Okay, so basically they took the data scraping to this part, quantity, and this part. Then it also took another activity to the shipping cost and the estimated total. So then after that, there will be some calculations done in an Excel sheet. Then it will show my total cost here. So it's correct. It's good. Press OK. Then a Word document will be created. Okay, as in here. So you can see that it will automatically edit everything for you. Put in stuff. Yep, all's correct. Replace everything. Place everything. So everything. This is the invoice. Okay. A nice invoice. So then after that, it will be converted to PDF. It will be converted to PDF. Where's my thing? Okay, it'll be converted to PDF. Hold on, let me go back. Then after that, it will be converted to a PNG. Then after it will be sent to this email. So now it's 11:02. Okay, let me just delete all these. Okay, so let's refresh. Yeah, I think it might take a while. Give it a while. Give it a while more. Okay, now I can go back and check. Close all these. No need these. And when I check here, oh yeah, okay, see, there's a purchase invoice. Then this is all the information I'll say. Looks very formal. Okay. Then this is the entire invoice. So the guy can check and everything. Okay, so yes, this is basically what my stuff does. So then I'll go through what my code does, what my activity does. So here I use input dialog to get all my input information. Then after that, I use multi-assign to like cause I put everything into one string, the test variable. Then after that, I'll split it all into these different user input variables. Then I'll save them. Then after that, I have a loop here. So they ask whether you like to edit the details as shown just now. So the loop will allow it to keep looping because I have this edit continue. If it's edit details, I have an if statement. So then if it says yes, then after that, it ask me to give the new details. Then after that, it will assign it again. Then after that, continue edit, because this while loop will always continue to run if continue edit is true. Yeah, so I set it to true here, as in here. And after that, if they say, let's say continue on, then the while loop will be stopped because continue edit is false. Yeah. Okay, so then I built a data table for my product data to store the product type and product quantity. This is how the data table looks like. Then hold on. Yeah. Then after that, they asked me to add in the product details. Okay, so product type and quantity is split with a slash. Then after that, like same thing here. I do the multi-assign. So this while loop is the same thing. There's a condition. So add another product is true. So same thing as before. So then if it's they will ask you, oh, okay, so then after I get the input variables, the product type and product quantity, I add it to the data table of product type, product data. And after I ask the guy if you want if you want to add another product. And if they choose yes, then add another product will be true. So then the while loop continues to run again. If they say no, then it will become false, then the while loop will stop. So then I'll continue the next one. So then I turn the data table into a string, then I display whatever's in the data table so that the people can see what exactly they have ordered. So then I for each row in the data table, so means for each row, then it will do a certain thing. So then I got the first row product type and first row. I mean I got the current rows product type and current row quantity. So then after that I open the redman website. Then I type in the product type values, click the search button. And after that I did a while loop so that if the quantity of value is more than 0, then it will keep running until it hits the correct amount of quantity. Then of course there's a -1 here, so that you'll have to stop sometime. Then I add to cart. So then this will keep looping until all the rows are in the product data is completed. Then I open the cart browser so that open the link to the cart browser. Okay. So then data scraping, as I said, it will take the product name, price, total price of the product and quantity. Then these two things help to take the total amount and delivery cost. Then after that, I create a new Excel sheet. Okay, so the Excel sheet will put in the data table. Then after that, I'll put in the cart details on the side and the the delivery cost at the side and the total cost at the side. Then after that, I'll do I put this here to calculate the sum. So there's some calculation inside the Excel sheet. So then I will get back the total from the total calculated and the total from the redman website and then compare them together. So then if they are the same, right, they'll say your total cost is correct and then they'll say the total is blah blah blah. But if it's not, then they'll ask you to please contact redman, because then there's definitely something wrong, because this will always work. Then after that I open a new invoice. So then the invoice is like there's a template already. So then it will just replace all the stuff that has let's say replace address with the address variable, whatever's inside the address variable. And the same for postal code, city, the two, so I put the boss email from blah blah blah. Same thing. Then DC is to put the delivery cost. TT is to put the total cost. Then here is to put in the data table so that as you can see here, it puts everything nicely like that. Yeah, so then after I save it as a PDF file, then after I change the PDF file to an image, then after that I send an email through Outlook from my this TP email account to the boss email that they have input just now. Then this is what I put in the formal matter, because you're technically speaking to the boss here. So it's all very formal. Yep. And after I attach the image to it. And that's all. Thank you so much for your time.